Today, I'll walk you through how to view phone contacts on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your contacts on Snapchat so you can connect with friends easily. First, let's start with a crucial step. Open your phone settings. This is where you'll manage permissions for various apps including Snapchat. Take a moment to locate the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to find the app section. Here, you'll want to locate Snapchat. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the layout can vary depending on your device. Now tap on Snapchat and you'll see a list of permissions. Make sure that contacts are permitted specifically for Snapchat. This step is essential because it allows the app to access your phone contacts, enabling you to find your friends easily. With that done, it's time to open your Snapchat app. Simply tap on the Snapchat icon on your home screen. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This is your personal space within Snapchat where you can manage your settings and friends. Next, scroll down until you see the Friends section. Here, click on Add Friends. This option allows you to connect with people you know, making it easier to find your contacts on Snapchat. After you click on Add Friends, you'll see a list of your contacts who are on Snapchat. This is where the magic happens. You can now view and add your friends directly from your phone contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view phone contacts on Snapchat. This process not only helps you connect with friends, but also enhances your overall Snapchat experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.